everyone, my name is Martha. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. And today I want to do unboxing of this period underwear that I received in the mail today. And of all coincidences, I just started having my period today. So the packaging came like this in a box, and this is the packaging itself. And it came with a note from Famata. It says, congratulations, you have just joined Asia's largest femtech community. Thank you for trusting us with your intimate health. If you like what you see, tag your pictures and stories on Instagram at Famata's SG for a chance to win $50 SG store credit. With love, the Famata team. And there's a hashtag, turn taboos into triumphs. And there's also at the back of the card, a way to create your Famata account. Okay, so this is the box. Let's open it up. Okay, it says here that there are actually 4 different layers of fabric, and it's in Japanese. I can't read it. And so here it is. This is the model that I wanted. So it's a little bit sheer, and I'm touching the fabric. I have been very, very curious about period underwear because does it work? Does it work? It actually feels like swimwear, you know, on the outside. It feels like swimwear on the outside. And the top part is a little bit rough. And I can feel between my fingers that there's some cushioning in the middle. It feels like a swimming costume. So will it allow me to survive day 2 of my period? We shall find out. Stay tuned.